guys, welcome back to CSCO. I hope everybody is doing well. Today we're going to be doing a popsicle picture frame, and it's going to be a good idea to use for Mother's Day or any other type of gift if you like. Today's materials are going to be pencil crayons or markers, either or. We have our popsicle sticks. I have some that are painted and I have some that are plain. We'll also need white glue, some tape, and if you prefer to use a hot glue gun, you can as well. All right, make sure you guys use protection over whatever work surface that you are working on. Today I'm going to use paper towels to do. Now you can have your choice of whatever popsicle sticks as well. You can have small ones, there's big ones, there's probably some out there that are half this size as well. So it's your choice of what you're going to be using. Today we're going to use some big ones. Now I am going to use markers on mine today. You can do whatever colors you want. You can do all of them the same color. You can do two black and two blue if you like, or you can paint them all 4 different colors. You can also use pencil crayons doing this project. You can also use paint crayons and yeah, anything that will color. I'm just trying to decide what pictures, and depending on your picture too that you're using, you can draw from the colors. So today we're going to be using this picture. So if you want anything to pop out from the picture, we can decide what colors as you're going along to pick it out. I think I'm going to do a blue. So just go ahead and start coloring whatever color you would like. Now if you're going to use paint on your popsicle sticks, I would recommend that you would paint one side, let it dry, and then go ahead and paint the other side and then let it dry. After when both sides are dry, if you decide to use a second coat, then go ahead, use the second coat when you're painting. And then after you've done your second coat, you can go ahead and do the sides of your sticks as well. If you don't want to get your hands, that's where the paper towel will come in handy to hold if you don't want to get your hands messy. Yes, you can use gloves if you like for any of the projects. And I'm just going ahead and painting the sides with the popsicle stick. Flip it over. Now it will be an option if you do want to paint this underside of the popsicle stick as well. You don't have to, because that part is not going to be showing, but to finish the project off, it will be. But it is important, if you don't do the underside, to just do the sides of the frame, because that will still stick out after when we glue them together. Okay, once that's done, we carry on to another color. Now also too, if you like at the end, when this is all assembled and everything, you could add little things. You can add dots, squiggly lines to make a more different type of a picture frame. You could add glitter, if you like glitter. You can add stickers to it. Once you're done, you will figure out which way you want your colors to go. Now this is where the picture will come in handy, because you can place the picture, what ways you want the colors to go for the picture, so you can start gluing. Now your picture frame does not always have to be straight. It could be a little bit crooked if you like. Makes it a lot interesting. Once you have your idea where you want your popsicle sticks and your picture, you have two options. You could either use the white glue or you can use the hot glue gun. Now with the hot glue gun, if you are turning it on, make sure you have a piece of paper underneath or a plate to catch that extra glue, because you don't want to damage your table with the hot glue. Once you have it all set, I am just going to take and put a little dab of glue in the middle of where you want your piece to go. Press it. Make sure you don't get it on your picture. If you do want to remove your picture, you can. I just hold it there. And do the same on the other side. Now, I'm just going to wait a little bit to let it dry, so if you can nicely pick it up, put it away and let it dry for a few minutes so it can set. Usually hot glue guns are faster than glue, so if you are using glue, definitely you'll have to let it sit for a bit. And once it's done, you have two options. You could either glue your picture in, or you can tape your picture in. So if you only have one picture of what you want to use and you don't have duplicates, I would recommend to tape it in so you can save it, so you can take it off. But if you have copies of it, then go ahead and you can glue it in. I'm just gonna use some tape to tape this one in. Best always nice to have scissors around as well, just in case you want to tape so you don't have a big piece of tape mark showing on the back, and you can cut it in half, because I know tearing it, you always get a little bit bigger piece than what you want. Once once you're done taping it in, you can see if you want to add tape. I've been noticing if I've been taping, I want to tape the top a little bit so it doesn't kind of buckle out, and the bottom. Okay, and once you're done, you have a nice picture frame that you can put anywhere in your house. You can give it as a gift. Mother's Day is coming up as well. You can do a nice frame. You could also write on there, write something on there if you like as well. Now the picture that we used today was the original building when CSCO first started. So that is so cool to see that part of history. Now I have some other picture frames already pre-made that I've done beforehand to give you different ideas what you guys can do. If you don't have a picture to use, you can go ahead and draw a picture and put it in there as well. Different sizes. If you have a photo that you can cut, then go ahead and you can go ahead and cut it to shape your frame, like this one with the monkey. Also too, you can add writing to your picture frame as well. So anything that you would like to do to your picture frame, go for it. Thanks for watching Crafts with Sharlene. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.